In this box here, I got 500 strawberry crowns. Those strawberry crowns are right now sitting in bunches in a couple of rows that I dug in my bed, and I did a thing called healing them in. And I'm going to see if I can't show you what that entails. So I'm going to move the dirt away from this guy. I'll pull this bunch up and that guy. Okay. And there's a bunch of strawberry crowns. So you make a space, and in this case I just dug a trench, but you make a space for them, and you set the roots and everything right in there like that. Get the roots in there, and then drag the dirt back over so that you cover the roots really well and protect them. And this will keep them viable for a couple of weeks, a month, however long it takes until I'm ready to plant. So you can do that with any bare root stock. If you get a bare root tree and it's going to be a week or two before you can plant, just heal it in. Just kind of get it in the dirt. It's not truly planted, but it's in the dirt. And once you've got it in the dirt, you're going to want to water it in. Get it nice and watered in there, because you don't want the roots to dry out. You want everything to stay nice, moist, and flexible. All right. That'll keep your plant healthy until you can get it where you want it and planted correctly. So anyway, this is just a real quick how-to kind of thing. Like I said, I've got, doesn't look like it, but I have 500 Albion strawberry crowns. Those are an ever-bearing strawberry. Ever-bearing. That's also a day-neutral strawberry. They will produce throughout the season, and they'll do real well. I'm keeping 100 of them for my own propagation, and I'll be potting up the remainder to sell people here in my area. So anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'm not going to be putting any links in the description because I really didn't use anything that you can get off of Amazon. So anyway, have a good day, folks. Once again, thanks for watching.